Florian. I work as part of the Laravel Cloud infrastructure team, and today I want to share how we're using FrankenPHP through Laravel Octane to power apps on Laravel Cloud. What is Laravel Cloud? It's a new platform we launched this year in February. The idea is very simple. You connect your GitHub repo or Bitbucket or GitLab and hit deploy. And within a minute, you got a public URL where your Laravel app is running and you can access it on the public internet. It's a zero ops platform, so that means we take care of everything, servers, containers, scaling, networking, all of it. And we're already serving tens of thousands of happy customers that rely on Laravel Cloud every day. So what is Laravel Octane? Octane is our way of running PHP on a modern application server. By default, Laravel runs on PHP FPM, which you're familiar with. The whole app boots with every request. But with Octane, it boots once. It keeps the app in memory and then just feeds requests to it. The package itself can run with several different servers. There's Roadrunner support, Swoo, and FrankenPHP. And that's what we chose for our platform offering Laravel Cloud to run Octane apps on FrankenPHP. So for those who don't know, FrankenPHP is built on top of Caddy. It's like a modern way of running PHP apps. It has all the goodies like HTTP 2 and 3, early hints, automatic TLS management, and all that sort of stuff. And yeah, it's what we use to power performant apps on our platform. So that's enough with slides for now. Let's do a live demo. I'll show you how to take a Laravel app, flip the Octane switch, and immediately have it running on FrankenPHP. No config, no custom servers, just one click. I'm gonna switch over here. That's my Laravel Cloud login. Let's create a new application. I hope the Wi-Fi is fast enough here, but yeah, it looks good. Let's just use a template so we don't have to do anything. An empty Laravel application. Let's deploy it closer to us in Frankfurt. And what this does is it clones down a template app with an empty Laravel application, creates a GitHub repo in my account, and deploys it on Laravel Cloud. So in about a minute, hopefully we're fast enough today, we should have a URL where we can access the app. Let's take a look at the deploy process. It's still running. You can basically see what it's doing here, installing all the usual like Composer stuff, Vite deploy, what you're used to if you're doing it locally, but it does it all for you. And then at the end, it creates a container image and uploads it to our platform and connects it to the internet. So let's give it a second here. Let's collapse this so we can see. We're past 1 minute. We failed our promise today, I'm sorry. Usually it's pretty quick. Of course, it depends on how many deploys are running, but yeah, usually you're at about a minute, and there we go. Here we have our, oh no. Let's maybe bust the cache. Yeah, here we go. So we've got a Laravel app running. Now I'm gonna clone down the repo, and we're gonna just Composer require Octane. And then let's create a route just to show what we're actually running on. Yep, looks good. right. So what Laravel Cloud does is, by default, we have push to deploy turned on. So I just push to my repo, it automatically picked it up, it'll create a new image, and it will deploy it. Right now we're not running on Octane yet. We just installed the package. We got to flip the switch, but first I want to show you that at the moment it's PHP FPM, and then we're going to flip the switch, deploy again, and see the change. Just give it another few seconds here. That's always the most painful part of a demo, waiting. But I'm sure we're going to be done pretty soon. Yeah, there we go. It's deploying already. All right, so if we're going to the runtime route here, we should, oh, well, it's very small, but yeah, we're on PHP FPM here. And if we go to our worker compute instance here, this is basically all we have to do, switch on Octane, and now we will run on FrankenPHP, and it's very easy to just convert your app. Of course, you got to take care that there are no memory leaks in your code, but that's our customer's problem, so to say. We as a platform offer you a very easy way to just flip a switch and you'll be up and running. All right, let's go through this one last time. There we go. And now the deployment, so it's rolling out the image on one of our clusters. And then we should be able to reload, and we're on FrankenPHP. So that worked. All right, thank you very much. So what happens behind the scene? We keep things pretty clean and predictable. We're just maintaining two base sets of Docker images where we deploy our customers' apps into. One is PHP FPM, one is FrankenPHP. What's really exciting is we're working together with Kevin directly to optimize our FrankenPHP offering for a large variety of apps that we're running on Laravel Cloud, because we've got like small hobby projects up to big SaaS platforms that people are using our platform with, and so we want to make sure that a wide variety of workloads is optimized with FrankenPHP. And it's an active collaboration, and we already had huge performance gains through this collaboration for all of our customers. To wrap up, Laravel Cloud is our zero-ops hosting, and Octane gives your Laravel apps a chance to run on FrankenPHP, literally with the switch of a flip of a switch. And we're continuously working to optimize our FrankenPHP offering. It's been very exciting to bring this to our platform right from the start. So from launch day, you had the option to choose between both ways of running your Laravel apps. And I'd love to chat more. I think we have some time for questions. You can also catch me later. I'll be here for the whole 2 days. And if you want to know a bit more about Laravel Cloud, be sure to catch my colleague Joe's talk tomorrow at 10:20 in room 1. Thank you very much.